students, how are you?
Fine.
Okay, what is today's date?
25.
Okay,
Friday.
what is today's day?
Friday.
Today is Thursday, beta. Okay, ठीक है. So, have you seen a ball?
Yes.
Which shape of a ball? What is the ball? Which shape does a ball has?
Circle.
Circle.
No. Spare.
In 2D, it is circle, like 2D it is circle. But when we talk about 3D, it is
Spare.
sphere. Right? It is wholly filled, right? Right? So, have you seen the, where you have seen the sphere now? Which example you can give?
Ball.
Ball. One more. Earth, sun, moon. There are many examples where we see sphere, right? Yes. So, in 3D it is sphere. In 2D it is circle. Okay. So, this sphere has surface area. Okay. Surface area means, see, if I want to make a ball, but I want only the ball to be filled from here only. Okay. I don't want to fill it from inside. So, if I want to make this ball, I need to measure its surface area. What I need to measure? Surface area. Right? So, I need to measure here surface area. So, there is one formula to measure it. Okay? So, surface area of sphere. Surface area of sphere. What is surface area of sphere? 4 pi r square, right? And if have you seen that tennis ball? It is that rubber ball which is made only from surface, right? That reddish ball, it comes and it is made up of rubber, and it has only surface area. And you have seen that cricket ball, season ball, which is filled from inside also. Okay, it is filled from inside also. So we need to measure its inside part, and this inside part is nothing but volume of sphere. What is it?
Volume
of sphere. Okay. So see, the formula for volume of sphere is 4/3 pi r cube. Okay. What is their formula? 4/3 pi r cube. All other formulas contained here square. Okay. So you must not get confused. So we will name this formula as arrow wala formula. Okay. What is the trick to remember this?
Arrow wala formula.
Arrow wala formula. Okay.
Yes.
So see, repeat after. Please repeat the formula.
Surface area of sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. Volume of sphere is equal to 4/3 pi r cube.
Very good. So, it is arrow wala formula. Okay, we will see one example. Now, tell me if radius, what can I take?
3 centimeter.
If radius is 3 centimeter, then find the volume of
sphere.
Okay. So I have to find the volume of sphere. What is the formula for volume of sphere?
4 upon
volume of sphere is equals to, what is the formula? 4 upon 3 pi r cube, right? So 4 upon 3 pi means 22 by 7 into r cube means 3 cube, right? And 3 cube we can write 4 upon 3 into 22 by 7 into 3 into 3 into 3. 1 3 will get cancelled, right? So, can you multiply all these? See, 4 into 3, 12. 12 threes are 36. 36 into 22 divided by 7. Now, what will be the approximate value? You have to multiply this and divide it by 7. Calculate it.
113.0.404.
Oh, you are very smart. You have calculated it before me. Okay, calculated now. Tell me.
113.004 centimeter cube.
See here, we use cube. Why? Because it is volume. The unit for volume is cube. Okay? Remember this. Okay? Now, I will give you one more example. You have to come here and solve this. You want to that? See, if the radius of sphere is 7 centimeter, okay? Find the surface area of sphere. Come in front, Akshara, and solve this. Come here and solve this example. Yes. Come in front. Yes. Solve this. The radius of sphere is 7 centimeter. What is the formula? First write the formula. Four pi r square. Yes, very good. Square 7 centimeter, na? Yes.
आणि मागत दप्तर येते पैसे खाली
What is the answer? 618.
6 centimeter.
616. Yes, 616 centimeter square. Here we are finding area, so it will be square. Okay. Whenever you are finding the volume, it will be cube, and whenever you are finding the area, it will be centimeter square. Okay. Now see, we will learn one more shape. Okay. If we will cut this sphere into half, what will it look like?
Hemisphere.
Yes, you know the shape of the what is this shape? If we cut this sphere into half, then it will be
Hemisphere.
hemisphere. Very good. So it also has radius, right?
Yes.
These both lengths are equal. Okay. So see, this also has surface area. Okay, surface area of hemisphere. What is the surface area of hemisphere? 3 pi
R square.
r square. Yes, very good. And it also has volume. Okay, so of hemisphere is equals to 2 upon 3 pi r cube. Okay, so we will take one example on this. See, if the radius, what should I take?
21
21
centimeter.
Okay, ठीक है. 21 centimeter. If the radius of is 21 centimeter, what is surface area of hemisphere? Okay, so we have to find the surface area of hemisphere. So what is the formula? 3 pi r square. Okay, what is the formula? 3 pi r square. So surface area of hemisphere is equals to 3 pi r square, which is equals to 3 into 22 upon 7 into 21 into 21. 3 ones are 3 sevens are, that is 66 into 7 ones are 7 threes are 21, right? So it will be 63. Okay, so what is the answer? Calculate it, multiply it. Yes, tell what is the answer?
4
4
158.
pi 8. What is the unit here? Centimeter square. Why? Because we are finding area. Okay. Yes, thank you.